Today we are making the most delicious butter you have ever eaten. Scandinavian cultured or fermented homemade butter. It's amazing and it's easy to do. So let's get to it. To get that really tasty cultured butter, you need to add culture to the cream before letting it rest overnight. And in Sweden we have something called filmjölk, which is very popular. We eat it cold with cereal for breakfast, and it's a cultured milk or sour milk. It's a bit thicker than regular milk. But depending on where you live, you need to find your local option for getting the living culture. I know in some countries you have cultured buttermilk that you could use, or something like kefir. But in Sweden, it's easy to use filmjölk or sour milk. And to keep real butter soft, you need to have it in room temperature. But to prevent it from going bad, you need to protect it from oxygen. And therefore we keep our butter in this butter crock. It's two parts, this one and this one. So you keep your butter in here, you have some water in here, and when you're not using the butter, you put it upside down here. The water prevents air from reaching the butter and it keeps it fresh. And so when you want to use it, you just pick it up and it's ready to go. Fresh, soft, delicious butter. So what do you think? Will you try to make it? I highly recommend it. You will really enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share with your friends. Thank you.